Hey guys, Big John here. So yeah guys, as you can see, my aftermarket GoPro charger is not charging. So let's rip it apart and see if we can find the problem. Okay guys, not sure if you can see this, but I found the problem. My jack for the power supply where it goes in here, I don't know if you can see that, but it's loose from the cord wiggling so hard. So yeah, trying to figure out a fix here. Don't have a soldering gun on me. We'll figure it out. Okay guys, think I found the fix here. Black Jubes. Nobody eats the black Jubes at home, and I think I can stuff this up in the cover, and I think the pressure from that will push down on it and make contact. Let's see if we can make it happen, guys. Okay, so there we go. We got one black Jube. Let's shape it and put it in the cover and see if the pressure will work. I got the other half here. I got the cover here, so I got Jube shaped so it can fit in there. Let's see if we can get that in there. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, we'll get that in there. It's nice thing about this, it's like Play-Doh. Hey, that's what I could have used, Play-Doh. Let's go with the Jube. See if that works. Okay, let's try this, guys. We'll see. We'll see. Try and snap it all back together here. Oops, hit my computer. It's in. Oh, I don't know if this is gonna work, guys, or not. Well, let's try it. One more thing, guys, we're gonna put a tie wrap around it too to hold it down. Got the tie wrap holding it down. I got the black Jube with the pressure in there. Let's see if it works. Oh, look at that, guys, it worked. It worked. Jube GoPro charger repair. It worked. Love it.